Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to show you guys what I used for these paintings. I do need a little bit of help, so please stay tuned, watch the whole video. You'll see how these come out, well, how part one comes out. I need a little bit of help with finishing these, so I hope you guys will enjoy and comment and let me know what I should do to finish them off, what colors I should use, if I should put more texture and such. So thank you so much for watching.
I don't know how the colors come out. Mixing this joint compound. Probably should do this first, let it dry, and then paint over. I just want like some texture and some different colors in there. Maybe a gradient. Fade down from dark to light, but I don't know if I want a gradient yet. But I do know I just want some texture and color. I might just go simple and do texture with the color.
Let me be something you wanna keep in your head. If I ain't your girlfriend, I won't let go of your hand. Yeah, at this point, 'cause you'll never see me. I'm better than you thinking you're not very simple, yeah. Hold me to the waist, baby, touch me on my skin, or just love me. Let me be something that you never imagined. Hold me to the waist, baby, touch me on my skin, or just love me. Let me be something that you never imagined. You'll never see me. I'm better than you thinking you're not very simple, yeah. Hold me to the waist, baby, touch me on my skin, or just love me. Let me be something that you never imagined. Hold me to the waist, baby, touch me on my skin, or just love me. Let me be something that you never imagined.
Just one looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my side. Just one looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my side. Hold out your hand, yeah. Every day you're with me when I think I can't stand, yeah. You got big things coming, part of your plan, yeah. Step up in your love, I say you're the one I want. The love that you were giving is salvation. You will keep me moving if I'm patient. I just wanna get right to the racing. You love me so I could have be complacent. Not afraid of the battles I've been facing. Nothing that you do is ever wasted. And you got the fire like I'm blazing. 'Cause I'm just tryna copy when I'm pasting. Just one looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my side. Just one looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my side.
Big man thing, what do I say? Them can never love you my way. You go low, then you go high. You go near, then you go far. You go round, around, 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 around. my time, promise you no lie, yeah. Gary go, I'm on me more to Gary low, oh yeah, yeah. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na.
Just by looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my side. Just by looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my side.
But sana sana nakupenda, roho yangu umeguza, Mungu nisho kama huyu ni mke wangu. Sana sana nakupenda, roho yangu umeguza, roho yangu umeguza. Yeah, yeah. This right here is what you call a candy paint. Southern Arizona, fell in love with that. Angel brown, yeah, cute face, solid graduate. She's the type to make you hesitate. Solid at a party, how you doing? What's your name? Yeah. Said she got chosen, that's like fire to the flame. Yeah. Ask her what she into, she said anime and games. Wow, put a ring out now, baby check me out. She's a wallflower, but a chick. Look right through your glasses, a new friend. No, you're not alone, yeah, you know I'm right here. Yeah, baby girl, I'm right here. She's a wallflower, but a chick. Look right through your glasses, a new friend. No, you're not alone, yeah, you know I'm right here. Yeah, baby girl, I'm right here. Start like new chapters in a book of love romance. You could be the Pam to my Jim. Cold up in my storm. Light when it's dim. Yeah, when it's warm, yeah, I like that. If you said you need me, I'll be right back. When I close my eyes, you're in my dreams. I just never thought you liked me like that. Cause friend is something that I always see. She's a wallflower, but a chick. Look right through your glasses, a new friend. No, you're not alone, yeah, you know I'm right here. Yeah, baby girl, I'm right here. She's a wallflower, but a chick. Look right through your glasses, a new friend. No, you're not alone, yeah, you know I'm right here. Yeah, baby girl, I'm right here.
It's the next day and they're dry. Said it takes 24 hours for the joint compound to dry, so it's a full 24. That's what they're looking like.
You like
this is after putting the black on. I'll use it. So I'm gonna use some spray paint. Oh, I can't see these. I'm turning the light on. It's not the one. That one. And then I'm going to be using some stone spray paint right underneath the black, and then probably using some parchment, which is like an off-white, like a creamy color, to finish the top.